Today, we're going to build a military helicopter using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with our headlight brick, and for this helicopter, that side stud of our headlight brick is actually going to be on the bottom. And so this is now the top of our helicopter, this is the front, and that's the back. In the front, we're going to grab one of these translucent black cheese wedge slopes and put it so that the thin end is on the top and it slopes down to the bottom, and that's going to be the cockpit of our helicopter. Now to create the back tail, we're going to grab one of these 1L bars with 2 studs on the side, and you're going to put the one stud into that big hole at the bottom of our headlight brick, which is now the back, and the 2 studs are now here. And on this side of our helicopter, we're going to grab a clear translucent tile piece, and you're going to put that tile piece on the back tail to create the blade on the back tail rudder. Now on top here, to create the large blade of a helicopter, we're going to get a inverted radar dish, a 2x2 inverted radar dish, and put it so that stud goes into the big hole of our headlight brick like this. And here you have a micro military helicopter.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.